Good morning, students of Standard 10. Today we are going to study topic phytohormones from chapter 2, control and coordination. Phytohormones. It is the hormone found in plant which promote its growth and development. So students, phytohormone actually is a specific hormone which is found in plant, and the main function of which is to promote, that is, increase the growth and development. So students, we can say that phytohormones contribute in the development and growth of plants. So students, if we concentrate in this picture, then we will be able to notice that plant hormones are basically distinguished into two types: growth promoter and growth inhibitor. Students, growth promoter further is classified into three categories: auxin, cytokinin and gibberellin, whereas growth inhibitors are further classified into two groups: ethylene and abscisic acid. Phytohormones are of two types. So students, here we can notice that phytohormones are of two types. So students, growth promoter are the category of plants which encourage or increases the growth of the plants, whereas growth inhibitor are those type of phytohormone which decreases the growth of the plant. So students, we can say that growth promoter increases the growth of plant and growth inhibitor reduces the growth of plants. So here students, with the help of this picture, we can very easily categorize the phytohormones, that is plant hormones, into two categories, where you can clearly notice the growth promoters and the growth inhibitors, and the examples of the growth promoters and the examples of the growth inhibitors. Students, here we can notice that growth promoter increases or promotes the growth and development of the plant. Auxin, cytokinin and gibberellins. So students, we can say that growth promoters generally promote the growth and development of the plant, and which is of three types: auxin, cytokinin and gibberellin. Students, here the auxin is slightly or mildly acidic in nature. Cytokinin is aminopurine in nature, and gibberellin is also acidic in nature. So students, the three different types of growth promoter phytohormones are acidic, aminopurine, and slightly acidic in nature. Auxin, it is mildly acidic phytohormones. Students, auxin is mildly acidic phytohormone which remains present in the tip of plant parts. So students, auxin, which we know is mildly acidic in nature, remains present in the tip of the stem, in the tip of the stem, and also students remains present in the tip of the root. So students, auxin generally remains present in the tip of stem and the tip of roots of the plants. Cytokinin, it is the phytohormones. Cytokinin is the phytohormone which is aminopurine in nature and remain present in germinating seeds. So students, cytokinin is also the growth promoter phytohormone and which generally remains present in the germinating seeds. Students, we can understand here the function of cytokinin with the help of this picture, where you can easily notice it is mentioned that it stimulates the seed germination. Students, obviously the cytokinin will promote the seed germination because cytokinin remains present in the seeds. So students, here also we can notice that the seed is germinating, and the germination of seed is totally due to the presence of cytokinin. Gibberellin, it is a phytohormone which increases the internodal growth of the plant. So students, gibberellin is also one of the most important growth promoter phytohormone, the main function of which is to promote the internodal growth of the plant. So students, generally if this is the plant, then the point from which the branches arise is called as node. So students, here also the another node is there which you can notice easily. Now the space between the two nodes, so students, this is the space between the two nodes and this is also the space between the two nodes. So in this space between the two nodes, the gibberellin promotes growth, and this space between the two nodes is called as internode. So students, this internodal growth is promoted by the phytohormone gibberellin. Growth inhibitor, it is the phytohormone. So students, growth inhibitor actually is the phytohormone which retards growth and development of plant. So students, the hormone which is found in the plant is called as phytohormone, and this specific phytohormone which reduces or decreases the growth and development of the plant is is called as growth inhibitor. Students, it is of two types, abscisic acid and ethylene. Abscisic acid, it is the phytohormone. Students, abscisic acid is the phytohormone which retards plant growth. So students, abscisic acid actually is the particular type of phytohormone which decreases the plant growth. Students, the function of abscission can be well understood with the help of this picture. Students, here you can notice that the leaf is attached to the stem, and here due to the accumulation of abscisic acid, a abscission zone is formed, and which further detaches the leaf from the stem by the formation of abscission layer. Ethylene, it is a gaseous phytohormone which promote ripening of fruit. So students, we can say that ethylene is the only phytohormone which is present in the gas form, and the main function of which is to promote the ripening of fruit. Students, here if you concentrate, then you will be able to notice that ethylene is playing a very important role in the fruit ripening. Students, now let's discuss important question. What are various types of phytohormone? Phytohormones are of two types, growth promoter and growth inhibitor. Thank you, students.